How to check your account balance using the Barclays mobile banking app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to check your account balance using the Barclays mobile banking app. So then, to begin with, first of all, you need to make sure that you have already registered and that you have, and when you open up your application, this is how it's going to look like. So in my case, I'm using a web browser. So for that case, type in Barclay and it's going to directly take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. Now open the Barclays mobile app and then log in into your account. When you're logged in, by default you'll be taken to the app's homepage or dashboard. You can look for an option labeled as account balance or account overview. Tap on the option to view the summary of your account with the Barclays. Within the account overview section, you'll see a list of Barclays account, including current account, savings, credit card, and all that. You need to select or tap the account you want to check the balance to view your details about. Once you've selected the account, you should see the current balance displayed permanently on the screen. The balance reflects the most up-to-date information based on recent transaction and account activity as well. And by following this step, you can easily check your account balance using the Barclays mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.